Rub honey on your feet before bed and watch the incredible transformation by morning. It may sound simple, but once you try this, you'll never skip a night without it again. Stick with me until the end, because today I'm going to reveal 2 powerful tips that will change the way you care for your skin forever. Let's get started with the first one. Grab a small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of fine salt. Fine salt is perfect because it gently exfoliates without irritating the skin, opening the way for our next ingredients to work their magic. Now here's where the magic begins. Add 2 generous tablespoons of honey. Honey is nature's miracle worker. It's packed with natural antioxidants, antibacterial agents, and deep hydrating properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates deep into the skin, providing essential fatty acids that repair and nourish, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth and rejuvenated. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Mix everything together until it forms a thick, luxurious paste. The texture should feel rich and gritty. That's exactly what we want to work deeply into the skin layers. Here's the first trick. Apply this mixture directly onto your toenails and fingernails. Massage gently to stimulate circulation, strengthen nails, soften cuticles, and boost the natural shine. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now on to the second and even more powerful tip. Grab another bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey again. Now add 1 tablespoon of fine salt, creating a perfect blend of hydration and gentle exfoliation that removes rough, dead skin cells. Then add a large spoonful of your favorite moisturizing cream. Finally, finish by adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to supercharge the formula with deep nourishment. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Stir it all together until you have a creamy, luscious mixture. Apply it generously to your feet, focusing especially on dry or cracked areas. Massage it in slowly, letting your skin absorb all the goodness. Then slip on a pair of cotton socks. Trust me, this step makes all the difference. It locks in the moisture and allows the ingredients to work deeply overnight. When you remove your socks in the morning, you'll be blown away by the results. Soft, hydrated, beautiful feet. Without expensive creams or salon visits. If you have extra product left, don't waste it. You can use it on your elbows, knees, or even your hands to rejuvenate dry and rough skin. If you enjoyed today's tips, save this video so you can use it again. Share it with someone who needs a little self-care magic. And leave a comment telling me about your results. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video with even more incredible life-changing hacks.